Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Typically, we plan out our meals for the week in advance, but sometimes, just sometimes, after that first cup of coffee in the morning, that little voice of spontaneity wakes up, asking us to make something that meets the moment or our moods. So we scrounge around the refrigerator and make something delicious out of whatever we have on hand. And that's how this Tofu Gai Lan soup came to be. It's quick, easy, and wholly satisfying. So let's get started. In a large pot over medium-low heat, we'll add in a tablespoon of sesame oil, along with a tablespoon of grated ginger, and a couple of chopped scallions. Then saute for about a minute or until fragrant. Did you hear about the ginger root that got a job at the dentist's office? It was hired as a root canal specialist. Next, we'll add in 4 cups of vegetable stock, or water if you don't have vegetable stock. This soup is going to be phenomenal either way, along with our flavoring mixture. For the full written recipe, check out the video description box below. Now we'll bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, we'll add in some fresh shiitake mushrooms. If you don't have shiitake mushrooms, feel free to replace them with button or bella, along with the stems of Gai Lan. These are a little bit tougher and require a longer cook time. Gai Lan is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate, which serves a lot of functions at the cellular level. And then boil for about 5 minutes. Then we'll add a Thai chili for an extra bit of heat. If you want the soup to be spicier, add the Thai chili along with the grated ginger. Then we'll add the Gai Lan leaves. These don't take a long time to cook, and we just tear these up by hand. These are the regular Gai Lan. If you had baby Gai Lan, you don't even need to worry about breaking them apart. And lastly, firm or extra firm tofu, cut into cubes about 1 inch wide, and boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you happen to have soft tofu, you don't even need to worry about cooking it. You can throw it in just before turning off the heat. Once the soup is done, we like to garnish with more scallions and cilantro for freshness. Cilantro in Chinese food is like a plot twist in a drama. Some people love it, others feel betrayed. I guess it's kinda like how cilantro can turn a taco into a soap opera. That's it. We'll go ahead and turn off the heat and ring the bell because lunch is served. Time to dig in. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments below. Also, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help support our channel. It really does help. Here are all the ingredients. For the full written recipe, check out the video description box below. And visit us at berrylife.com for more quick and healthy recipe ideas. After serving ourselves a heaping bowlful, we'll top it off with more fresh scallions and cilantro. Oh man, not only does this look amazing, it's so warm and satisfying, especially on a snowy day like today. There you have it, Gai Lan tofu soup. A taste of Asia in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!